Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to our social class. In today's lecture, we will continue the chapter number 1, the Earth. In previous video, we have studied about the map, latitudes, longitudes and the grid. So in this lecture, we will study continents, oceans and sea. Okay students, so let's start.
Continents. Students, this is the map of continent. What it is? Map of continents. Here in this map, continents are marked in yellow and the rest of the markings are of oceans. Okay. Here first continent is Asia. What? Asia. Another is Europe. Third one is Africa. Fourth, Australia. Fifth, North America, and sixth, South America, and the seventh one is Antarctica. Okay, these 7 are continents. Let's study further. Now, continents. Continents are very large masses of land. Continent का मीनिंग क्या है? लार्ज मासेस, बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेस लैंड पे जो ऑक्यूपाई करते हैं वो ये कॉन्टिनेंट है. आपको पता है हम कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट में? हम हैं एशिया में. ओके, देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. दे आर एशिया, अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, एंटार्क्टिका, यूरोप and Australia. Most of these land masses are in the northern hemisphere. Okay, we have seen this on the map and most of the oceans are marked in the northern hemisphere. You see here top equator. Here is the equator. The upper part of the equator is northern hemisphere. So you can see that most of the continents are in the northern hemisphere. Okay, only 3 continents are there in the southern hemisphere, that is South America, Australia and Antarctica. These 3 continents are in southern part and the rest of the 5 are in the northern hemisphere. Okay, let's study further. Now let's study first continent, that is Asia. Okay, Asia is the largest and most populated continent. Which continent is most populated? Asia. 2 countries, China and India, with the 2 largest population in the world are located in Asia. क्यों वो बहुत ज़्यादा populated है continent? Because the 2 most populated country lies in that continent. And it is in the northern hemisphere. It is separated from Europe by the Ural Mountains, Ural River, Caspian Sea and Caucasus Mountains. Okay, let's study another continent. Another second one is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. It is surrounded by ocean and sea. Okay, Africa is surrounded by oceans and seas. These are mainly Atlantic Ocean to the west and Mediterranean Sea towards the north. वेस्ट साइड कौन सा ओशन है? अटलांटिक ओशन. एंड उसके नॉर्थ साइड है मेडिटेरेनियन सी and the Indian Ocean to the east and Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean to the south. See, Africa is a continent which is covered by the oceans and seas almost from all the sides. Okay, the world's largest desert, the Sahara Desert, lies in the North Africa. North Africa में world's largest desert कौन सा है? Sahara Desert. वो वहाँ पे अफ्रीका में है. The equator runs through Africa. इक्वेटर कहाँ से पास आउट रन होता है? अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट से. ओके, लेट्स सी अनदर कॉन्टिनेंट. Another continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent. The United States of America and Canada are the main countries in this continent. नॉर्थ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट में कौन से स्टेट्स आते हैं? यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका एंड कनाडा. ओके, इट लाइज बिटवीन द अटलांटिक ओशन एंड द पैसिफिक ओशन. नॉर्थ अमेरिका किसके बीच में है? अटलांटिक ओशन एंड द पैसिफिक ओशन. ओके, अनदर इज साउथ अमेरिका. साउथ अमेरिका लाइज इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. इट इज connected to the North America by a narrow strip of land. North America से वो connected है by a narrow strip of land. उस narrow strip of land को क्या बोलते हैं? The Isthmus of Panama. The Isthmus of Panama. The Great Mountain Range, the Andes and the huge Amazon River lie in this continent. साउथ अमेरिका में क्या आया है? माउंटेन रेंज. कौन सी है? एंडीज एंड द ह्यूज अमेज़न रिवर लाई इन दिस कॉन्टिनेंट. ओके, नाउ हियर कैच अ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स इज गिवन. यू हैव टू डू बाय ऑन सेल्फ. हाउ मेनी कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर देयर इन द वर्ल्ड? इट इज एज सिंपल एज इट. ओके, राइट इट. चलो, लेट्स सी फर्दर अनदर कॉन्टिनेंट. Here, let's study the fact. The continents of North and South America are named after an Italian explorer and cartographer, Amerigo Vespucci. Vespucci. Okay? Now, another continent is Europe. Another continent is Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent. To the north is the Arctic Ocean. यूरोप के नॉर्थ में कौन सा ओशन है? आर्कटिक. एंड टू द साउथ इज द मेडिटेरेनियन सी. ओके, यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट है में उसके नॉर्थ में कौन सा ओशन है? आर्कटिक. एंड टूवर्ड्स द साउथ मेडिटेरेनियन सी इज देयर. And towards the west is Atlantic Ocean, and Russia is the largest country in Europe. यूरोप की लार्जेस्ट कंट्री कौन सी है? रशिया. एंड द वेटिकन सिटी इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. So here the question arises, which is the largest country in the Europe? So the answer is Russia. And another question also arises, that which is the smallest country in the Europe? So the answer will be Vatican City. See the here image of Vatican City is given to you. Let's see further. Here another continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, Australia is the smallest continent. And which one is the second smallest continent? We have just seen, that is Europe. Okay, it is called an island continent. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को क्या बोलते हैं? आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट भी बोलते हैं. ओके, इट इज इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. Sorry, it is in the southern hemisphere. Manually, unusual animals such as kangaroo, koala and kiwi live in this continent. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कौन से एनिमल्स रहते हैं? कंगारू, कोला, कीवी live in this continent. Okay, let's see another. Next is Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost continent. सदर्न के एंड पार्ट में जो कॉन्टिनेंट है वो कौन सा है? एंटार्क्टिका. इट इज कवर्ड बाय अ वेरी थिक लेयर ऑफ आइस. किससे कवर किया है उसको? वेरी थिक लेयर ऑफ आइस. एंटार्क्टिका की चारों ओर क्या है? आइस. पूरा एंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट आइस से कवर्ड है. It has very little vegetation. वहाँ पे बहुत कम people survive करते हैं. People do not live here permanently. वहाँ पे people permanently नहीं रहते हैं. क्यों ऐसा? क्योंकि वो पूरा आइस से कवर्ड है. द साउथ पोल इज सिचुएटेड इन द अंटार्कटिका. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी पढ़ा है साउथ पोल के क्या है. साउथ पोल पे अंटार्कटिका है. ओके. पेंगुइन्स, seals, blue whales, orcas are some of the animals that live here. Plants do not grow well in this weather. वहाँ पे plants अच्छे से growth नहीं होते हैं. क्यों? Because there is a thick layer of ice on that continent. Okay. Mosses and algae. Mosses and algae are some of the plants found here. Okay. Now this were your 7 continents. Now let's see further. Let's study about the oceans. Okay. Water covers nearly 3/4 or more than half of the earth's surface. हमने अर्थ पढ़ा अभी. ओके. तो अर्थ का जब आप उसको मैन्युअली उसका ग्लोब देखोगे तो वो पूरा ब्लूइश होगा. आधे से ज़्यादा अर्थ का ग्लोब पूरा ब्लूइश हो गया. मीन्स द अर्थ almost 3/4 or the half of the earth surface is covered with the water. Okay. There are several oceans and seas which are large bodies of the salt water. Close to land, the water is shallow and supports a variety of life forms. Further out, the oceans are very deep. Oceans बहुत ज़्यादा deep होते हैं and home to large sea cultures, large sea creatures such as whales, sharks, giant squids and manta rays. ऐसे ऐसे sea creatures हमें उसमें मिलते हैं. Okay, let's see which oceans are there. The 5 oceans are there. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Okay. Most of the oceans and seas are found in the southern hemisphere. हमने continents देखे कि बहुत ज़्यादा continents कहाँ नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में हमको देखने को मिलते हैं. बट ओशंस मोस्टली बहुत सारे ओशंस हमें कहाँ देखने को मिले हैं? सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. ओके. लेट्स सी इन दी मैप. Here let's see oceans in this map. Okay. Here the first ocean is Arctic Ocean. Second one is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Okay. Here these are 5 oceans which are marked in this map. Okay. Let's see further. Now all the oceans are connected to each other to form a continuous body of water. क्या है? सारे ओशंस एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड हैं ताकि वो वाटर एक वे में फ्लो हो सके, कंटिन्यूअस वे में. Okay. Now the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean. Which is the largest and deepest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Okay. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean and has ice covering it. Okay. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean and has ice covering in it. Okay. Shallowest means not so much deep. Now the ocean floor is not a smooth flat bed. It has tall mountains and very deep trenches. like seen in this images, ocean floor is not smooth and flat bed. Smooth नहीं है, flat भी नहीं है. It has tall mountains inside and deep trenches. देखो, deep trenches are here. Okay, let's see another ocean. Now, seas. Seas are smaller bodies of salt water, very often connected to oceans. क्या है? ओशन के कंपैरिजन में सीज आर स्मॉलर बॉडीज ऑफ वाटर, सॉल्ट वाटर. ओके, very often they are connected to the oceans. For example, the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea are seas connected to the Indian Ocean. दो सी कौन सी दी है? बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड अरेबियन सी, विच आर कनेक्टेड डायरेक्टली टू दी विच ओशन? इंडियन ओशन. सम सीज आर रियली लार्ज सॉल्ट वाटर लेक्स. बहुत सारी ऐसी सीज है जो लार्ज लेक्स है, सॉल्ट वाटर के लेक्स है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल द कैस्पियन सी एंड द डेड सी. Okay, they are the example of the salt water lakes. Now, oceans and seas are home to many marine animals and plants, both very large and small. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इमेज में दिया है marine animals and plants are there. These water bodies are very important to our environment. These water bodies are really very important for our environment as they affect our climate in many ways. Okay, chalo let's see further. How safe are oceans and seas? How safe? कैसे वो safe रह सकते हैं? The plastic and sewage poison our seas and oceans. Fish and other marine animals eat them. जो प्लास्टिक वेस्ट, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्टेज होता है, प्लास्टिक वेस्टेज होता है, वो हम ओशन में, रिवर में ऐसे ही फेंक देते हैं और उसको खाता कौन है? एनिमल्स एंड अदर जो मराइन एनिमल्स हैं वो उसे खाते हैं. वी इन टर्न ईट द पॉइजन्ड सी फूड. इन टर्न हम जो सी फूड कंज्यूम करते हैं वो भी पॉइजन वाला, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो वेस्टेज खाए हैं. Okay, so sea creatures are very important to us and our environment. We must keep our oceans and seas clean and safe. Okay? Chalo, let's see further. Students, here your chapters, and now let's see further we recall the points which we have studied in this chapter. Okay, we read maps with the help of latitudes and longitudes. So latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines drawn on a map to help us to locate the places we have seen in the previous video. And the important latitudes are, ये भी हमने पढ़ा है. कौन से latitudes हैं? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. And next is the important longitudes भी हमने पढ़े, Prime Meridian and International Date Line. Next we have seen the continents, water bodies, oceans and seas. Okay, I hope the lesson is clearly understood by you.
So students, I hope now this whole chapter is clear to you.